Breaking news just coming in. In a stunning revelation, President Pranab Mukherjee, in an interview to a Swedish daily, defends Congress party over the Bofors scandal. He says that the alleged scam was a media trial as it has not been proven in the court of law. Our National Affairs editor Shrinjoy Chaudhary is joining us now on the phone line. Shrinjoy, this certainly looks like a strong defense of the Congress party from President Pranab Mukherjee when he says that this was actually just a media trial and it has not been proven in the court of law.
Yes, absolutely. Pranab Mukherjee usually gives one interview to a paper or a TV channel if a country is going. And naturally, since this is Sweden, the issue of Bofors would have come up. But this defense of the Congress party at that time is unexpected, you can say. And of course, it's a very strong defense. It would be interesting to see two things. One is how the current government, the NDA government, deals with this, because it is, let us not forget, elections have been won and lost because of Bofors beginning with 1989. And that includes the stunning defeat of Rajiv Gandhi at that time when he went down from 415 to 197 seats. That is one. The other interesting point is this entire incident of Bofors happened when Pranab Mukherjee himself was not in the Congress party. Let us not forget that Pranab Mukherjee was out of the Congress party at the time that the Bofors incident happened. So why he has spoken about this is perhaps something only he can explain. But he has said very, very strongly that, well, this has not been proved in a court of law, and therefore this is something that is still up in the air.
Right, and Shrinjoy, he goes on to add that till today, Indian Army is using Bofors guns, and of course, no Indian court gave a decisive verdict. The so-called scandal was only in media. Now, these are very strong observations by the President of India, and like you've been mentioning, his political history as well concerning the Congress party at that time. What does this mean in terms of, the current BJP government looking at all these statements from the President ahead of a state visit?
This is precisely what is expected or awaited, because the BJP may have to react to this. The BJP was part of the Vishwanath Pratap Singh government in 1989 after the defeat of the Congress party. And therefore, and that is the time when every effort was made by that government to actually even send people to Sweden to get all the information necessary to put things together. So it is very interesting to see how the BJP government will react to this. That, of course, is the first thing. And also if there is a clarification from Rashtrapati Bhavan itself on it, because that is something that can also be awaited. Very importantly, it is also important to see how the Swedish government reacts to this.